Hi everyone, this is Living Life with Donna. It's after midnight. It's not raining very hard right now, but it sounds like the storm's, gonna do some more. Ooh, hope you saw that lightning. It said it's supposed to have severe storms all night, and earlier it did rain really, really hard, but I wasn't able to film, so it's just a little bit light right now. I think we're getting ready for like another wave, and I'm kind of pointing up at the sky. Maybe you'll see some more lightning, because it's really not raining that hard. So, matter of fact, it's kind of just down to very light, but I'm assuming with that thunder and lightning, it's gonna start picking up pretty soon here. And it's real still, like the trees, there's like no breeze. The trees are just really still. Earlier it was really windy, now it's just kind of, they're not really doing much of anything. It's just very still. So, I don't know, but I just hope the rain stops in the morning because I got therapy tomorrow, so. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit of this